Hey everybody, I'm on vacation this week, but I do have a video for you from the archives. Go ahead and check it out. I'm checking out Lloyd's mats. You'll see a nice embroidered Crossfire logo and all the equipment that you'll need to keep it in place inside of your vehicle. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment below. Stay tuned to the end of the video where I take a 50-foot drop from a water slide and complete an aqua loop. You'll see a 4.5-foot long gold lizard and coati, which is a second cousin to a raccoon here in Mexico. See you next week. Just checking out my new Lloyd floor mats for the Crossfire. You can see they've embroidered the name right inside of the mat, which I thought was kind of cool. I tried to see if they could put AMG in there, but they said that they didn't have that logo. Go ahead and drop the penny down in there. Whoops. You can see that it goes down there about 1/4 of an inch. Versus the old floor mat, and I don't really know how much it was, like it was new. It kind of sinks in there maybe a 1/16 of an inch. These are going to feel a little better on the feet. The old floor mat buttons are not used. Instead, they've got this latch mechanism here, which I'm sure will be fine. But I'm going to go ahead and hold on to my old floor mat buttons. And on the top of the footrest piece, they have a piece of Velcro that you just flip up onto the footrest, and that attaches to the remaining carpet that's on the footrest, so that this piece doesn't lift up, at least very easily. You can see here fitment is actually excellent. They've got the cutouts for the gas pedal and the footrest over there to the top left. And here's what we were talking about, the kind of stirrup to go over the top of the button.
While the solid black coloring of Lloyd's mats may be a bit darker than the original material, it doesn't detract from the look and feel of the interior. I have owned these mats for a little more than a year now and would suggest this option for anybody wanting an embroidered logo on a nice plush floor mat. The mats have held together nicely, mostly due to the anchoring system, and that I keep a clean car. Well, that does it for this discussion on the floor mats. Let's go ahead and proceed into some vacation footage. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is Jungala Water Park in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. They start you out standing up so you have enough built-in velocity to make it through the loop. You'll see here it's a 60-foot drop with a water loop when this pans out. You cross your arms, you cross your toes, the floor drops out, and down you go. Wow, what a rush. I eventually did it again, but let's move on to that 4.5-foot long gold lizard. Look at him, isn't he beautiful? Oh, he's pissed off at something there.
Maybe we should move on.
Go right ahead. And here's two little coati, brother and sister, I think, fighting over a coconut husk. Oh, bummer, look at that. This episode's over. Hey, I've got a whole bunch more uploaded to my page. Why don't you stop on by my YouTube channel and take a look. If this helped you out today, please like the video. If you think you might like my other ideas or handiwork, hit subscribe. Comments are always appreciated. Thanks for watching.